Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope so that you will be would be fine. Today is my second day of English practice, and yesterday my was my first day of English practice. And today I am going to talk about house chores. Um, I have done dishes, and I have swept my floor, and swept my floor, and I have knead my dough, and I have cleaned washroom. As you know, there are too much soaps come and um, like grime and accumulates on the floor and surfaces of the washroom, like lower walls and like lower walls and drain and pot, different items of washroom, and it need to be scrubbed, and I scrub them. There are too much moss and algae grow up on the surfaces of the washroom, and we need to hard bristle brush to clean it. So today I have done that because I have been ill, had flu previous 3 days, so I couldn't clean that. So today I have done that, and I have unpaved yard. Its floor is rutted, bumpy, and half floor is cemented, and half floor is based on soil. So there are debris left to be behind. Broom can't make a good connect with a floor, so that's why it's difficult, hard to clean these types of floor. So, and I have a tree in my yard, and its branches grown up to excessively, and all time leaves keep falling from tree, and it creates a mess in my yard, and I have to sweep here every then and now and then. So that's why I said to my husband to cut off that tree. So that because it is difficult to clean over and over again all day, because I have um, um, mm, um, mm, so you know uh, um, it's a it's around 11 15, and I am here, I am sitting on my this swing, and I am enjoying, because when I sit on it, it's very relaxing, and I feel very tension free, and it's really works when you are in tension or depressed. So it's a tip from me that if you feel depressed, sit on swing, and whatever swing you have in your house, and you will feel a bit better. So when I get depressed, I sit on it and I feel very good, and it works for me when I am in I stressed out. So okay, but I yes I have I attended yesterday my an acquaintance wedding. So you know it's difficult to attend these types of functions in winter, because winter we can't enjoy or wear or fancy dresses, because fancy dresses fabric is not warm, and we have to wear sweaters and shawls on them. So we can't enjoy our these types of functions in I can't enjoy these types of functions in this season, winter, when cold is intense, or when hot is intense, very hot months, seasons like June and July, and these types of months. So um, what should I say? I don't know. And I am here, to improve my English. I know about grammar, and I know that how used to grammar. I have been working on this. I have done a practice in front of mirror, and I have been working on this language for 2 years, but because I live in village and I don't have partner, so I don't know, because we can only one way to learn this language, and this is a way that we talk to someone in this language. But I don't have partner, so that's why I created this channel, so through this channel I can talk in this language, because I am now I feel very I am exhausted now to practice. So I wanted to a way through which I can talk, because I talk with my kids at home, but we can't we when we talk with our kids, it's mostly sentences which we use that are ordered based. Okay, and I want to speak long sentences, and it's not possible until I talk to a person, young person, who from whom I can talk in long sentences. So when I try to speak long sentences, then I get stuck. So that's why I wanted to this. So that's why I decided to create this channel. So if you like my vlog, please like, share and subscribe my vlog, because it would be a support towards you, from you to me. So please uh, subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay, goodbye.